Hello and welcome to Yasaj TV. Today we're gonna unbox and install this Waterdrop stainless steel water filtration system. Let's get on with the unboxing. It comes in a nice decent packaging with all the foams on the sides, protection and everything. So yeah, first thing first, it comes with tools in the bag. So let's open this up and see what is inside. So first thing you're gonna notice this big tool which will be used to change filters every 6 months or 12 months depending on the water quality in your area, and that tool is really important. And this is the one of the adapter that we can use. So they provide 2 of these which have different openings on the sides. So they give you both just in case if your tab has different openings, so you can use either. You don't have to use both at the same time. It's just one of these gonna be used for myself and same to you. So it depends what tab you have, and they give you both options, so whatever is good for you. We're gonna show you later in the video when we're gonna install this. Another thing is they give you Teflon tab just in case if you have leak, just in case. You don't have to use this, it's just in case. And there are little rubber washers, rubber seals for smaller thin pipe, the white pipe which is wrapped around the filter. We're gonna get into that in a minute. And the user manual. That's it. It's very simple, very few pads and not many parts, just filtration system and a little bag with the tools and rubber seals. Packaging is nice, like I said. It's nice and tidy, stainless steel body, which supposed to prevent any fingerprints or watermark on the shell, outer shell. I must say the quality of the shell and the body and the aluminum work, the chrome looks really nice, and quality stuff. We're gonna unwrap the pipe nicely, carefully, and pull the bags, unpack the whole package and put it all the stuff on the table. So this is the tool that you'll use to change the filter. It will fit on the top, and you just turn, twist and open the upper body and just replace the filter. But this is after 6 months. You don't have to do anything about filter when you installing this first time. So this is the rubber seal which we will not forget to put it inside the washer, inside the bowl. That's really important. They really insist with this on the user manual. So this is all. That's it. This is the full package. That's everything you get in the box. Now let's start with the installation. So first thing first, just have a quick look inside the user manual. Nice detailed user manual, step by step. All these steps are written there. It also tells you how to change the filter, but we don't need to do that now. It already comes pre-installed. So first step, write it down. Where's your pen? So first step is to find the right location next to your tab. So this is countertop countertop water filtration system. So it's gonna be on the top on the counter. So you have to find the right place where you want it to be, because that's where it's gonna be permanently sitting. First, just place it on the all the sides. Don't be shy. Just move around and check where you want it to be. Second step is to open your tab and bolt on the top of the tab. So every tab has this bolt. You have to unscrew it and open it. Even though considerably my tab is one of the difficult ones. So this tab has a spring and the showery and sprinkly system as well with button. So this is the most difficult installation, and lucky for you, you're gonna be watching this very intense installation, so called. So yeah, so now I'm finding and locating which ring tool is proper fit for my tab. So they give you two of these, so you have to just measure which one fits. You have to try, don't be shy, try both of these. So these both can be used, either can be used on tab, so you have to check which one fits to your tab. So this is the second step. First step, remember, find the location where you want it to be. Second step, you have to check the two adapters they provided, which adapter fits your tab. So once you found out which one fits your tab, now you just lightly, not very tight, just screw this on and test it before we tighten everything up. I have not tightened the base one adapter yet. I'm just checking and test and trial. So now I know this is the correct adapter. Now I'm gonna unscrew the lower part and tighten the main adapter. For this I'm using a clothing. This is very important. You need to have a towel because we're working with the water, so you need to have towel or some kind of clothing or something in case of spills. And now this plier is really harsh, so I don't want to damage the adapter and the ring and the adapter that came with the Waterdrop kit. So I'm using this towel covering all the teeth of this plier and then just tightening up this. You can use other techniques. There are some special pliers with plastic rubber TPU installed already. I'm kind of ghetto style, like I don't have those pliers, so I'm using this technique, which is like covering the harsh teeth of your pliers and just tightening the screw up. I did good here. The screw is fully tight, and I'm just gonna do a final push and test it if it is tight enough. Okay, now the time for the other thing. But before we install this, remember what I said at the unboxing. Never forget the rubber seal. Never forget the rubber seal, because in the instruction manual they have insisted that a lot of people forget to put this white rubber seal. And now you put that seal inside and roughly just slowly screw this bolt on the adapter's other end. We will tighten that in a minute again. Right now just roughly just screw it on, and then same method, my ghetto method, pliers with the towel, I'm gonna just fully tighten it. Now we are pretty much ready for the testing. But remember what I said, you need to have clothing with you, a towel or something, just in case if there is a water spill or leak, so you can quickly wipe it off. Now we are pretty much ready to crank it, and it's all set up. So there are only 3 steps. Let's crank it. And like I said, my tab is a little bit difficult one because it has button on the top and it has a sprinkler system. So yeah, but now this is how it should be looking. So it's working fine, the connection is okay, but I discovered a slight leak on the smaller pipe at the back, which may need to be tightened. You can see there are drops coming out. So there's nothing wrong with our connection. The connection, main connection on the top, it looks fine. There's no leakage there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna unscrew that small pipe and screw it back again, just in case there's dirt inside or something. That will fix it. Worst come to worst, they did give us extra little seals as well in the package, and there's a Teflon tape. But for me, good news, there was only dirt issue, and when I unscrewed and screwed it back, it did fix the problem for me, this little problem that droppings are coming out. So it's all good. The leak from the small pipe is fixed. I just unscrewed it and screwed it back, and dirt removed itself. I didn't do anything. So now there's no leak at all on our connection on the top or a small pipe. And I'm just double checking if there's any leak from the filter itself. It's always good to look around. Don't be shy. We have towel if there is a leak. It looks like everything is neat and clean. There's no leak at all. Simple, easy. So this whole installation is so easy. There are only, like, you can count on your fingers, 4 steps. Unbox, read your user manual, use the right adapter, install it, boom, it's installed. The filter is already installed, pre-installed, the new kit, so you don't have to open the shell to install a filter inside. Filter is already installed inside. It is only when you change the filter you have to open the main unit from the top. Remember that black tool that comes in the package? So now what I'm doing here is I'm just checking and using just my vision and eyeballing if there's any leak or anything. One thing to remember, first when you install this, before you start drinking water from this filter, you have to keep it running for 3 to 4 minutes, so all the charcoal and the carbon inside can just come out, excessive carbon. That's what they have also insisted in the user manual. So do not directly drink from it before using it for like 3-4 minutes. Just lose the water, leave it on. Now I'm just checking the connection again for our quality work before Mrs. comes and says, oh, there's a leak. So now I'm just taking a video proof that there's no leak from anywhere in the connection. No leak, all good. Now I'm just letting it run for 2-3 minutes, 4 minutes, so the excessive carbon or any dirt inside can come out. That's what they say in the user manual. Before start drinking using this water, you have to let the water run for 3 to 4 minutes. While I'm doing that, I noticed that the position of my filter was not ideal, so it's not a big deal. You can still move around. There's a rubber pipe And now I discovered one more nice thing. You can move this tab as well, which is part of the filter. So it's a good thing now the drops won't come. I was noticing that when I was stopping the tab, the water will spill on the side of the top side of the sink. So now I repositioned it, and you can move the tab. You can move the tab. It's not a big deal. Tab is movable, it's not fixed. That's really the plus point, a nice touch that you can move around. So now when I stop it, the droplets will go to the sink and not on the sides of the sink. As you can see, I'm demonstrating here. When it stops, the excessive water will come back to sink, not on the sides. That's it, rechecking for the leaks, and that's it pretty much. You have your filtration system, water filtration system installed. Nice fresh water. I would suggest to change filter every 6 months, even though they say 12 months is not a big deal. You can use the same filter for 12 months, but I would say every 6 months if you change it, that's really advisable. And now we can have nice fresh water and no more those plastic bottles that we carry, big crates from supermarkets. So this tool never lose it. You will need it to change filter. It will fit on the top, and you unscrew the outer shell and you put the new filter. And new filters are available on Amazon and on their own website. So it's all done. Happy life, happy wife. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like these kind of videos, hit like button. That will give me motivation to make more and more videos like this one. See you in the next one. Bye bye.